What's happening? Welcome, Wagwan, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Now, to all of my viewers and subscribers, I want to say morning, evening, afternoon, enough respect, any which part of the end of the world. Yeah, man. Also, I want to say thank you very much for 4,600 subscribers. We dip on the way for 5,000. Yeah, man, we dip on the way. Enough love, enough respect. Thank you very much. My viewers and subscribers, I could take a little time out for big up, shout out a few other content creators. And my viewers and subscribers, you know what I want to do? I want to take time out. I ask you to take a time out, go over them channel. If you can subscribe. If you can like a video, if you can share, if you can comment, do it, man. Show some love. Just help out the movement. 2025 are come, so we want to start to build and have the ground and run good. First, I want to say big up to KC Adventure TV. Yeah, man, she just subscribed to me thing the other day and me check out her channel. Nice channel, nice thing she ever go on. You know, show her the love, show her some like and give her some respect, show her some, you know, we are talking about some healthiness, you know, push her. Then, the veteran, yeah, man, Oliver Unfiltered, yeah, man, Oliver Lifestyle JA. There's a problem. I go on with that. So right now, him have a new channel. So Oliver Unfiltered. Go on over there. Check him out. And you don't know me always say. You mean like what them I say? You may love what them I say, but you only go know if you like what them I say when you go over there and check it out. Yeah, man. And then we have Shirley D. Yeah, man. Check out Shirley D. A dramatic kitchen creative cooking. Yeah, man, Shirley D, dramatic, creative cooking. Hey, she have some food over there. I tell them I want to heat them, truly. I want to heat them. Yeah, so good food. Them look good. Yeah, man, I tell her, that's the way them look. You come like you can smell them, Judy thing. Yeah, man, and then, no what's no face. Check her out. Kemdez. That's Kemdez TV. Check her out. Nice lady, I do her thing, I enjoy life, and I share it with me, you, and everybody else. Go and go check them out, show them some love. And you know what I want to do? Me ask you if you can go over to Jamaica Sensation. Yeah, man, run go over there, check him out. He might try, he must keep up, he might do him thing, you know. Him not get all of the support what him want, but go over there, check him out, show him some love, show him some respect, and make him know say it not done yet. You have to just keep going and pushing. And remember, when me say Roxanne British, big up yourself, Roxanne bitches. Roxanne British, big up yourself. Now say a word. Peace. You don't know me I talk holy, don't. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you up now. We get down to the serious business. Now, me tell you say me make one video and me say to you say me have part 2 for make for that video. My viewers and subscribers, me sit down and me think about it first before me make 3 part 2. And me decide say me never did go post them. But after me sit down, analyze, watch some videos, me realize say me need to post this part 2. And this part 2 is going towards Daddy Gargon. Yes, man. And when me do this part 2, me want to say like what me say in the other video. Daddy Gargon, me personally no mean you no harm. Me just go point out some things where me see you are do in my eyesight where I believe is troubling I'm going to tell you why it is troubling. It is troubling because you know, motivate. Yeah, you know, motivate the youths. You are pine finger. You are true shade. In other words, you act like a bully. Yeah, man, me say it, man. You act like a bully, Daddy Gargon. You say you like when people respect you and people feel respect you. But Daddy Gargon, let me tell you something. You know, demands respect. No, you know, demands respect. People give respect upon how them see you operate. And me go tell you this straight. How me see you operate and how me see you act and how me see you go on. All me see is the bullyism in you come out. You do a video and you say, oh, people are talking about your church and you go to church and you know act like Christian and me never hear nobody say that. Because me myself, me never say that. But what me I try to say to you is you are true shade and you bring animosity. And me go show you them in each video. Each thing what me say, me go show you Daddy Gargon part where him say in a fit him video. Yes, so in this video, me go show you some pointers about what Daddy Gargon do. And it's not like me I take set upon him because me did plan for it, me give you a part 2. So me go do this part 2. And after this part 2, me go post a video where me already make about living good, work together. Yeah, man. Me go do is me go show you. Me go react and show you Daddy Gargon a talk about socks. Because what me I try to do, me I try to show you how Daddy Gargon operate and act like he not do nothing that's wrong. Listen, watch and listen.
Bless up yourself, everyone. Hope everybody good. Well, the one socks come out blazing and on, so listen to him now. Yeah, man, talk, socks, talk.
I'm checking people and great socks. So people, you know, when they take one right on the people, you know. Because everybody has said, oh, socks now come out with people. Right now, we hear some fool talking. But maybe have to come out, you see me? And I don't want the people say, yo, brother, afar, me and colors are come from people, you see me? So I don't want to twist it. Because I see someone love twist argument, you know, brother.
Yeah.
My viewers and subscribers, each time when we need you to do is watch his mouth expression. Watch his mouth expression and what Socks just said. Listen to what he have to say towards that.
Socks, man, listen to me, man. Yeah, hear me? If I twist people twisty, or people say good about you, or people say bad about you while you're out here today, me no matter what they do, then get you out here. Because it's more than time. It's more than time. We don't know Colaz, you know. We don't know Colaz in person, and most of we don't know Colaz in person. Colaz never do nothing for it. The only thing Colaz do for it, sometimes him say big up. That's it, I bless up yourself. You see what I say? You and Colaz out there from the beginning. Maybe me never know from the beginning, but me know you from Colaz keep the party for you and get a little 12 inches TV. And that's something I follow on from, and I think that long enough. You see what I say? And when all we are going, the man one day, when all we are going, me beg your brethren. Mr. Socks, if you don't want to say nothing, because me say and the whole of people up there for me, just come out and wave a white flag. And say peace. Nothing you don't have to say. And anything what people ask about you, you can't say. And you can't say because
My viewers and subscriber, you hear part-time problem? Him beg Socks to come out, and Socks not come out. My viewers and subscriber, you have to realize Socks don't even look like him like to talk. But him, the reason why me do this video is just to show you something. Listen to him still.
You know, your man come from so far, and with all that going, stranger people, we never know country, no personal life myself, and we are defending man. And you go on some little way. Go on talk, make we listen to you. Talk.
See, I wouldn't mind not doing it, brother. You see me? You see me? Me happy for Colaz to go over where you go, you see me? You see me, some people say, yo, a bad man, I got bad man, all of this, brother. Brother, you don't know nothing about me, brother. You see me? So we just want to know just come on for me name, brother. You see me?
Yeah, man, now there's a UCAS region. Anything anybody say about you? Yes, a UCAS. You hear what you say? You say Colaz give your house, Colaz make house, give Colaz buy your bike, but Colaz buy your car. And idiot out there talk say, you suffer because Colaz not do nothing for you. We make that up. Because of you. Blame yourself, brethren. I don't know you couldn't talk. Right now, you come out and color that attack for you talk for yourself. You show people know that you're a good youth. And when I say you're good.
My viewers and subscriber, you wanna listen to him? You wanna listen? Go on, listen.
We would never say that. Because he's a youth, let me see. I come from square one, and we love you, and we check for you. And we know that you're the man out there for a long time. You see what I'm saying? Look how much people, thousands upon thousands of people, send the man all kind of little things, tell him must be strong, boy, we know that we're good. And people beg you and your brother for come out, we beg you. And some little things, some little move where I go on, it really look like you never good with the man. And you cause upon yourself, brethren.
My viewers and subscriber, hear what me want to say about that. You listen to him talk. But the fact that Colaz and Socks still good, that to show you, say Colaz know Socks more than everybody. If you notice me when me I do my videos them, me pick and choose when me I get involved in that. Now my viewers and subscribers, me go show you something for make you realize, say, Daddy Gargon no ramp for carry feelings. Watch ya. Now my viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a good listen to Daddy Gargon right here. You ready? Ready.
But you know, some two permanent member was not there. Well, all I want to come to the conclusion and say one sick, so I don't know. If because I'm sick, him can't go too far as God do what you people are saying. And no, Mr. So, you know. Yes, me say that too. But I was saying, no, me say so. Me say that person is sick. And all of you come to the conclusion and keep saying that. He's sick. Is that what I'm saying? So maybe he can't go tonight. We don't know that one there. But the other permanent person, where is he?
My viewers and subscriber, do you hear that? Now, this is a surprise party for Colaz Smith. And members of the party wasn't there. Two people wasn't there. One, Cantor. Who was the other one? Socks was the other one. So continue to listen to what, and may I show you how, may I tell you, this brother, yeah, is a grown big man carry feeling and is a bully. Listen to him good.
You see? I know business a man, I say, tell me something fast. Tell me something I'm too nosy. Tell me, old man, go sit down. Old man, everything in and tell me anything you want to tell me. But me don't like, still like, no, where was that man?
Now, my viewers and subscriber, who is that man? If you talk about a person, call him name. Because we all know, say, Kanta missing and Socks missing. So you tell me, say, a grown man, big man, always a call Socks name, but he can't call Socks name now. This is why me I try to show you and I try to tell you, say, Daddy Gargon is a bully and is a very dangerous person and him thinking smart. Hold on, continue listen.
Yeah, because you know look good. We need some explanation.
Hold on. It doesn't look good. Hold on. Daddy Gargon need explanation. No, Daddy Gargon is not Colaz Smith. He's not Colaz Smith TV. He's not a part of Colaz Smith TV. And that's why I tell you, say, you see all of them camera what him have? He wanted to be in the position where Colaz Smith is from a long time. Couldn't get into it. See Colaz TV, fall in love with Colaz Smith TV, and want to dictate. He want to dictate about Colaz Smith TV and what the guys them do. You imagine? Listen.
Me need to hear why certain man wasn't there. You see what I'm saying? I don't know about you and you and you and you. But me, that.
Oh, hold on. When me watch the video, me never see them. Me just say to myself, something must wrong with them. That's why them not did it. Make a contact. Me tell me how people all about. Me make a contact. And me say, what go on? Me say, how come me not say Socks are the thing and Kanta? And them tell me say, a Kanta must be, or Socks must feel sick or something like so. Me don't remember it go. But Socks couldn't make it and Kanta couldn't make it. And me say, okay. Me finish with that.
Gargan and I love you. So I say, I like ears right from the ass his mouth. Right from, I don't want nobody can explain nothing. Like them a deal with a dummy and then go make sign and the dummy tell them what go on and then come back come explain it. And we don't need no spokesman for that. The person know himself and him know him wasn't there. So I want him come out and tell John public after so many years and something like this going for the boss. What happened to him?
Hold on, my viewers and subscribers, you now see what me I talk about. Him know himself after so many years. Everybody don't know say a Socks you attack, man. Just call the man name, no man. Why you can't call the man name? Why you cannot call Socks name? Then when you're done, you go tell me, say, you never call JBud name because people are tell you, say, you are called JBud name too much. Let me tell you something. Bad mind, dirty ways, bullyism is not a good thing, brother. Tell you something, man. If you cut out them things, if you cut it out, and the reason why me talk to you about it, we are going at 2025. And we need to go in at 2025 with a clean slate. You is not responsible for Colaz Smith TV. You're not responsible for none of the man them on Colaz Smith TV team. But you act like you are them boss. You act like you are them agent. You are, hey, let me tell you something. You act worse. Me don't know how Colaz Smith act with him guys them. And as far as me concerned, Colaz Smith have everything under control. But you act like you are Colaz Smith plus Colaz Smith. I come on listen a little bit more Panda when you come, you have enough more left.
What happened to him? It's a man there. Let me tell you something, man. Them have some man down Africa, you know. Like down Maro there. I never hear about Maro from Africa. And Maro, how him name. A D brother. The men them around him, you know. Them call them Maro Soldier. Yes, Maro Soldier. Well, me, I call that Soldier. So anything we say, not look good. This is Soldier, I know. What?
My viewers and subscribers, I don't know if you don't know about Maro. It is sad that Daddy Gargon just put Colaz Smith in Maro. Maro have some youths around him give them a lot of work to do. Them do all them work and him not give them no money. Him rob them, him beat them up, him disrespect them, him rude to them, him run them. And them have to do everything for him. And for him, Daddy Gargon, and mix Maro with Colaz Smith TV, that is so wrong. That is very wrong. Right now, we go move to the next piece. Now, my viewers and subscribers, now we go show you a part where Daddy Gargon tell Oliver fi go back go check him video. And the reason why me I show you this part, I say, Daddy Gargon, Oliver bring Daddy Gargon to the forefront, yeah? Yeah, man. Daddy Gargon was pushed by Oliver. That no mean say because he was pushed by Oliver, he mustn't say nothing to Oliver, you know. But listen what me I say. Oliver make him channel, Oliver do him thing, Oliver him own grown man. Just like how Daddy Gargon I own grown man. Oliver did a video, saying, and that video what Oliver did, somebody or Gargan come over to Oliver channel and say something to Oliver. Say Oliver chat too much. Oliver never like it. And Oliver make a video. See? The video what Oliver make, it was brutal. It was straightforward. It was going straight to Gargan. Now, to be honest with you, if the only person, there was 3 persons who jump on that video that Oliver make. 4 persons. Who Daddy Gargon was one. Wayne was one. The Rasta brother, I can't remember film name because I'm not trying to remember film name. And another guy. 4 people make video about it. Not one of those people say anything about what Gargan said to Oliver. All them I do was to beat down Oliver about what he said to Gargan. Listen where Daddy Gargon have to say to Oliver.
God, I go too far. Is that and Oliver, as a real man, I mean, know you're a real man, because I see you do things and talk things as a real man. I mean, know where you talk, sometimes we get mad. All of us get mad sometimes, and sometimes we say things where, but we look back on it, if we don't do it again, maybe we don't do it a different way. Is that so I'm going to ask you, Oliver, as a brethren, you see the tape where you make about Gargan, why just go back and play it and listen to it? Listen to it nicely, not rush, not just listen to it. And just ask yourself, say, if you shouldn't do it over. If you change some of the words, or if you change some of the things where you say. Is that right? Me not tell you you do nothing wrong, you know. I am not here to tell you that you did nothing wrong or you do nothing right.
With viewers and subscribers, Daddy Gargon I tell Oliver, say if you go back, check the video and see if you would have changed some things in it. But you know, saying do nothing wrong. Let me see if I can analyze that a little bit. So the video was a great video. So why would I change something in it? If it was a great video. If it wasn't a great video, then you would tell me to go change some things in it, correct? But at the same time, you know, say him do nothing wrong. So me not understand what you are say. However, hold on a little bit, guys. Hold on a little bit. Now, my viewers and subscribers, Daddy Gargon, I tell Oliver Lifestyle if you go back and look on the video and tell him would have changed some things. Listen to Daddy Gargon right now.
Yes, my brethren and friend, bless up on yourself, man. You see, me like just speak when I want to speak, you know, and say what I want to say, you know, because I will tell you something. This is some things that go on at Jamaica. I mean, I wonder if the people them, where they are foreign, if sometimes the money are burn them, or they not no use for their money. I true me, I tell you. Some things I say I'm doing some donation, I say I make at Jamaica. I wonder if they not no use for their money. When this is certain money in our hardware, I buy pot and plate and base for Murphy. I said, donor send money come to Murphy for go buy pot. Young, strong boy like Murphy, we have every opportunity in the world. We Colaz never give up on him. For go and Colaz go and go do it, for do and get money and go, they're going making content. He have a channel for go, they're going make a content. Murphy is the one who should have give one little old lady, one little old man, one money for go buy one pot if they want it. People don't know no sense. I don't work on the money.
Work for you.
Eh? Look at all the people up our country there. We can't help. Is that right there? Yes, the boss come a foreign. Colaz come a foreign and carry back a GoPro come give Murphy and say somebody say forgive. Uncle God could have tell me say, I know Colaz by the camera. Uncle God could have tell me say, I know Colaz by the GoPro give Murphy because he want to give him a chance, he want him to go, they're going to do things like anybody else.
Now, my viewers and subscriber, so you rate Colaz, but only God can tell you, say, and the Colaz buy the GoPro, give Murphy, when Colaz say is a subscriber, a person send it come. So, my question to you is, do you really rate Colaz, respect Colaz, care about Colaz, or you just care about yourself? Because you don't believe, say Colaz, I tell the truth. You believe, say Colaz, I tell lie. Yeah. And that you say, no, brother. And that you say right here, so you say you think Colaz bite. So why would you think Colaz I go buy a GoPro, give it to Murphy and say somebody else give it? Anything Colaz Smith buy for anybody, Colaz Smith bring it and say, me buy this for you. Colaz Smith buy a drone and give it to Miss Little. Colaz Smith buy camera, Colaz Smith buy phone, Colaz Smith buy cases and give it to them and say, me buy this for you cause more you think. So why you of all person believe Colaz Smith I tell lie when you claim say you respect, you like, you are Colaz Smith soldier, but yet still your boss, your Colaz Smith I tell lie? Why you think Colaz Smith I tell lie? In the same thing, the thing about Oliver, when you want Oliver to go change, look over the video and change the video. When it come out to Murphy, you say you stand by what you say about Murphy. My viewers and subscribers who can go back and watch the video. Me can't find that part there. You say you stand by what you say about Murphy and him lazy, but yet still you want a grown man to go back and watch him video, and if he would have changed some things, why you want him to change something for a film video, but you as a grown elder, 73-year-old man, a beat down a young youth and can't go back and say, boy, you know what, yeah, me apologize, me sorry. You stand by what you say. Because he's a little bully. You want bully down the youths. Hold on. My viewers and subscriber, watch this part here. Hold on. My viewers and subscriber, me a break down everything. I listen to Daddy Gargon right here, so. Listen to him.
Oh, I remember say you is the man who called me and encouraged me to do certain things.
Man, that's a me. That's a me.
Tell us that I will think about it. Right now, maybe I have more money, more, I mean. But think that you would think maybe my accomplishment, you say I have some small kids. Am I maybe a 40-year-old? You know what I mean? So maybe because of that, because I spend on kids more than me right now, I might have a couple more dollars more than you.
Did you hear all that? My viewers and subscribers, did you hear that? Where that come from? In our conversation about you telling Murphy that him lazy. You as an elder taught down a young man. Where money come from? We're not here discussing how much money you have or me have or anybody have. Because money is vanity. But that's the statement. That's who he is. My viewers and subscribers, I don't want to know if you think me I chastise him for nothing at all. Me just try to show him up and show him who he really is. Him dangerous under the quiet. He's like a submarine. Yeah, man, him is like a submarine. He's a vicious brother.